get it. Boom. Over here on top, I need to get to this nut bolt. I can do it manually. That's gonna save me some time. Or I can remove this whole thing. All this much work. Let me see if I can just loose this too. That one, this one, and lift it. But you know what? On the other hand, this one, like two in the back. Like you see this? It might be the other bolt or not that hold this bar. We get to that though. Now for this one, E14, look like this. Has some leverage. That should do it. I don't need to do the whole thing. So we're goody, kids. We're goody. Pretty much on that. I'm gonna take all this off, something like that. This one for the link, this one for the strut. This is 16. You're gonna have to hold it from the back. With 15 should be around off. Link on. Do this guy. Sorry. Caliper 18. One middle extension. Two. Caliper come off. Now let it thinking. You know what? Before I remove it, I'm gonna push it a little bit so it fit when I put it back. You know what I'm saying? This should be good. Should be good. There you go. 18. Hold it in the back with another 18. Will come off. Gucci. There's a little bracket for the speed sensor. Come on, put it over there. Out with this guy. I'm gonna separate this strut there. But anyway, that. Easy, can do it like that. Now if you wiggle it, it's gonna start dropping. See that? Alright, now with a pry bar, put it right there. See that? Push it to the side or something. You put this cable, push it to the other side then. Should be good. There you go. You can dismount this cable from here so it doesn't stretch the line. Okay. Pretty much this video is how to do maintenance to your coil over. Alright, let's drop the car. Right there. 13. Remember this guy? You have to push this guy to the side. Like, alright. I'm gonna do it first. It's 1, 2, grab the coil. 3. Look down. Two coil right there.